the antenna right here, because right here, and this for the speakers. The speakers there, right there. Good morning, Raw Dog. How's everybody doing this beautiful day? How's everybody doing this beautiful day? We're right here. We actually trying to look for food. Let's check this out. Have this. I have peaches. I got peaches. 1, 2, 3 cans. I got soda. I have water. I have nothing in here. I have water. And that's it. So today it's gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I already used the emergency bucket. All right, let's go and do a walk around. Let's go and do a recon. Okay. All right. Actually, you can actually hear that wind. It's so high, so strong. That's what she said. There's a truck right there behind me. It's a water truck. It's a water truck. He was in the back, but I left it alone by himself. He came back and he parked next behind me. And there's another truck right here as well. Down. Yeah, that wind is so strong. You know, like you actually see right now, I'm not in the same place that I was last night. And I moved 2 miles. 2 miles ahead. I mean, I moved 2 miles southbound. I'm sorry guys, I'm thirsty, hungry. I'm thirsty, hungry, and I'm running low on tobacco. I'm running low on tobacco. I think I only have 2 cigarettes left. And yeah, like I was saying, I moved 2 miles southbound, and seriously, I think it was a mistake because where I was covering, the overpass was covering me. So I kept up driving a couple miles. I drove 2 miles and a half, and I passed another overpass. It was full. It was full, guys. The overpass was packed. So I keep on driving a half a mile from there, and I saw Ashley truck park, and I parked behind it. And a couple minutes later, this guy, the Werner truck, he parked behind me as well. So we were there for an hour and a half or something, and everything went green. There's no emergency. Well, the emergency, the red flag, stays until midnight today on Saturday. But everything, the high profile vehicles, everything, the alert is not there no more. So that I figured out that Ashley truck left because of that. But I left. He left, and I left after 10 seconds after he left, and I tried driving again, and it happened again. The wind so high, so strong, and moved me. And I saw this guy right here on the off ramp. And you know what? I just want to park right there. And it wasn't not even a quarter of a mile where I was. a quarter of a mile, the 0.2 miles, something like that. And you know what? I'm just gonna park right there because the moment I start driving, the wind. Alright, now you know what? I'm just gonna park right here. I stay here. Coming half an hour later, this guy, because I left him by himself over there, he's behind me again. So we're 11 miles from the truck stop. The closest truck stop is 11 miles. The closest city is 10 miles away from here. 10 miles away. Like I was saying that the other video, the secrets, the trucker's secrets. I already used my emergency bucket twice. One last night, one right now. And I have, you know, the plastic bags that I have in this compartment. I have the trash bags, you know, trash bags. I got plates, and I got fuses, you know, light bulbs, you know. They're fine. Yeah, and that's it right now. I just want to keep on drinking my water so I can eat my peaches, my one can of peaches. And that's it, guys. Like I told you, sometimes, like right now, we have the alert. I have a left in front of me, behind me. The wind is so strong, and that's it right now. That's the update. I'm not gonna hide it from you guys. So I don't care. So seriously, I don't care. So that's it right now. That's the update, and I will let you know what's going on later on. If I leave, I'm not, or if I go to the truck stop, you know. All right, let's stop. We made it to the truck stop, guys. This wind, seriously, I drove 10 miles. Oh man, it's still kicking my ass. Let's go and practice. We made it back. No cigarettes. No food. Well, I have my can of peaches. 2 left. I already ate one of them. Man, yeah, I was 10 miles away where I was parked over there on the side of the road. And everything is good. And the weather channel and everything is clear. It's still winds, high winds, you know. But I rolled the dice and like, you know what? I'll come down. Still kicking my butt. These 10 miles. What I'm gonna do right now is throw the trash cans, the trash away, because you already know, trash away, and do some talking to the old timers. Man, in 10 years, I'm gonna be one of those old timers. Let me talk to those old timers and see what the 511. And I'm gonna go inside and buy a goddamn CB radio. All right, let's go. All right, back. We finally made it back to the truck. I bought some pizza. Well, the pizza, they actually gave it to me for free because it was the last slice. I don't know, it's been here since yesterday probably. I got 2 corn dogs and a couple ice because I got soda right here and a bag of chips, Doritos. And let me show you guys. I bought a CB radio. Actually, this is the 3rd one that I buy. I bought one on 2009, and I don't know what happened to that radio. I think I lost it after a while, and I bought another one 2012, and that one I left it at my mom's house for a while, and it's the same. All right, it's the same. And I left it at my mom's house, and she sold it for $20. She sold it for $20. Let's unbox this biatch. They give you the instructions, you know, the instructions of this to the trash. And because real truckers don't need no goddamn instructions for a CB. And right here, it comes with a hand mic. The hand mic, Cobra Cobra hand mic, and the radio a month, and the radio itself is backwards. The radio itself, 40 channels for your hand mic, the stabilizer, and the volume. Turn it on, turn it off. The volume, the dynamic, the gain, the delta tune, all that good stuff. And channel 9 for emergency. And you can you put a speaker outside your truck and put the PA. Get the hell out of here, boy! Can't yell that to whoever is outside. All right, so that's the radio, the TV itself. There's the radio itself, and it comes with the mount for the hand mic. But I already have one, and I put my knife right there, and the cord. I already have it there, plugged in. All right, let's put it on. Let's try it. Okay, you can actually see everything right here. All right. We have the antenna right here, because right here, and this for the speakers. The speakers there, right there. You see? Okay, so what we need to do now, what we need to do now is the power, right? This for right here, power. So actually right here, you see two knobs. The power, the red is go, and the ground, you guys already know, it's right here. So we gonna plug in this to the red, to the black right here, and screw this, tie the nuts really, really hard. That's what she said. All right. That's it. Ahí, así queda. Eso. Ahí quedó. Vamos a comer porque no comí. Vamos a comer. Ya comí la pixía, ya todo, ya desde 17 horas que no comía. Un poquito más, casi el día. Y aquí estamos, gente. Aquí nos vamos a quedar ya para mañana, salir en la madrugada. Y así quedamos, ¿ok? Alright.
Way down there, no problem. Yeah, what I was going to do is just go up the place again and make it all the way down. Yeah. Yeah, he back there snoozing. Probably going to pass out for a while. He works his ass off there and he's kind of wore out.